Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our Civics Chapter 8, Government for Development Part 2. In previous part of the chapter, we have studied about the importance of government, the planning commission, 5-year plans, and agriculture, green revolution, all those things. Now in this part, let us start with the industries. Industries. We know that industry play an important role in economic development of a nation. But any prosperous nation needs well-developed industries. Not only this, but when we talk about India, जब हम आज़ाद हुए हमारे देश में बहुत थोड़ी सी इंडस्ट्रीज थी, जैसे टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री या शुगर इंडस्ट्री, हैवी इंडस्ट्री के नाम की पर कोई भी इंडस्ट्री हमारे देश में उस समय नहीं थी, या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हैवी इंडस्ट्री तो थी ही नहीं, और ये इंडस्ट्रीज ने डेवलपमेंट किया आफ्टर द 5-year plans वर इम्प्लीमेंटेड. 5-year plans के इनिशिएटिव प्रोग्राम्स की वजह से इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट इंडिया में हुआ और बहुत बड़ा चेंज इंडस्ट्रीज में आया एंड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन इंडिया में स्टार्ट हुआ. एंड डू यू नो बेटा, at the time of 1950 and 51, only 10% contribution था इंडस्ट्रीज का हमारी इकोनॉमी में. Industrial growth. A large number of industries were set up under the 5-year plans. And when we talk about these industries, they include iron and steel industries, cement, railway wagons, fertilizers, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. These all industries were set up. Not only this, but consumer goods जैसे soap, detergent, watches, television sets, ट्रांजिस्टर्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स, ये सारे इंडस्ट्रीज भी सेटअप की गई और इनकी संख्या में निरंतर वृद्धि होती गई. एंड बेटे, देयर हैज़ बीन रिमार्केबल ग्रोथ इन द टेक्सटाइल एंड शुगर इंडस्ट्रीज. शिप बिल्डिंग, एरोप्लेन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड टेलीफोन्स, ये सारी इंडस्ट्री भी सेटअप हुई. इन सारी चीज़ों को देखते हुए वी कैन से that all these developments show that there has been a tremendous progress in the field of industry after independence. Cottage industry. Cottage industry were there in our country, but it could not be developed to their full capacity because of colonial rule. But after independence, government has initiated efforts to develop the cottage industries, and these industries are run by family members. Items like basket, toys, ropes, handlooms, ये सारी चीज़ें इनमें प्रोड्यूस की जाती हैं. Small scale industries. Government has helped to develop small-scale industries. And because why it was done by government or encouraged by government to develop small-scale industries? Because these industries can be set up faster than large-scale industries, and they also generate employment. Not only this, these industries produce essential consumer goods. And some small-scale industries serve as ancillary industries for the bigger industries. That means बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए सहायक उद्योग या सहायक इंडस्ट्रीज का काम भी ये करती हैं. सहायक मीन्स हेल्पिंग इंडस्ट्री के रूप में ये काम करती हैं. एंड द गवर्नमेंट प्रमोट्स स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज बाय अडॉप्टिंग फॉलोइंग मेजर्स. व्हाट वर दीज मेजर्स? Number 1, tax benefits are offered to set up small-scale industries. Special tax incentives are given to set up industries in backward areas. Some products are reserved for exclusive manufacture by small-scale industries. And special training facilities are provided to set up small-scale industries. Public and private sectors. Bete, I have told you many times that whenever public word comes, it means it is related to government. Okay. So when we talk about the public sector, that means these industries are established by government for the benefit of the public. And the goods which are produced in these sector, public sector, they are comparatively cheaper than the private sector. When we talk about these industries, that means पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज, इसमें बेटा इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद गवर्नमेंट ने हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज को ज़्यादा सेटअप किया था. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट सम पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री. दे आर हिंदुस्तान मशीन टूल्स HMT, भारत हैवी इलेक्ट्रिकल लिमिटेड BHEL एंड स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया SAIL. एंड बेटा इन इंडस्ट्रीज को सेटअप करने के लिए सरकार पैसा कहाँ से लाती है? ये वो पैसा है जो हम टैक्स के रूप में पे करते हैं. एंड प्रॉफिट्स मेड बाय दिस industries, they all are included in setting up these industries by the government. Now let us talk about the private sector. It comprises business activities by private individuals and their main motto is to earn profit. इसीलिए बेटा पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज में प्रोड्यूस हुई चीज़ों से प्राइवेट सेक्टर की चीज़ें ज़्यादा कॉस्टली होती हैं. सम इंडस्ट्रीज, प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज बेटा हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर लिमिटेड, जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन, रिलायंस. इनके अलावा एक और तरह की इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं, वो हैं ज्वाइंट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज, जो सरकार और प्राइवेट कंपनीज दोनों मिलकर लगाते हैं. दीज इंडस्ट्रीज आर ज्वाइंट सेक्टर. सोशल सेक्टर बेटा गवर्नमेंट looks into the social welfare of the people and it works towards ensuring the availability of safe drinking water, sanitation, education and housing to all. Some of these programs were launched by the government in different social sectors for the welfare of the people. Let us talk about some of these programs. Number 1, education. The Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was launched by government in 2001 and this program was launched to encourage and promote the universal elementary education for all the children in the age group of 6 to 14. Next is sanitation. Between incentive-based programs like Nirmal Gram Puruskar was launched by the government to promote rural sanitation in 2002. And in urban areas, recycling and reuse of sewage water was encouraged. Not only this, Swachh Bharat Mission was launched on 2nd October 2014 and it was being implemented for urban and rural areas. Health. By the government, several primary and community health centers have been set up in rural areas. The National Rural Health Mission, it was started in 2005 to provide better healthcare facilities to the rural population. And the National Urban Health Mission was launched to provide healthcare for the urban poor living in slums. Let us talk about employment now. The employment was also ensured by the government for all. And the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 was launched and it provides at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment to every adult of the rural household below the poverty line. Next comes housing. BT to improve the condition of the poor in the basic urban slums. Program like Basic Service to the Urban Poor, BSUP, and Integrated Housing and Slum Development Program, IHSDP, have been initiated by the government. And these programs aim to provide housing facilities, basic services, and other civic amenities to the urban poor. When we talk about our rural areas, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana aims to meet the shortage of housing. These all programs were started by the government to provide house to its citizens, those who are below poverty line. Rural development. BT, for rural development, Bharat Nirman plan was started in 2005. Let us talk about the objectives laid down in this plan. Number 1, construction of all-weather roads to connect all villages. Number 2, provide telephones for communication. Number 3, provide clean drinking water. Number 4, provide electricity to rural household. Number 5, construction of 60 lakh houses for the poor. And number 6, bringing as much as 1 crore hectares of land under irrigation. This is all in the chapter. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.